What's good? What's poppin'? Hey, Daddy Squad. It's your girl, Shauna Bat, and I'm in the building. You already know. You already.
Today is September 23rd, 2022. It is now Friday, early in the morning, and we are now in Vegas. We are in Vegas for 2 days. Well, technically 3 days, and then we go off to Utah for 2 days. If I'm
We're going to Utah first and then come back to Vegas.
Yeah, so we're in Vegas right now, and then we're going to Utah a little bit later, and then back to Vegas on Sunday. Y'all get the drift later.
But I just want to let y'all know I checked in. Well, I'm waiting to get checked into my room. And y'all, I'm so tired. That's like, if I would have been vlogging yesterday, y'all would have seen what we was doing yesterday. We just be doing a whole lot.
So this vlog, y'all know these vlogs may be late, but y'all get them, okay? That's all that matters.
That being said, I will get back on here a little bit later. Maybe when we're after Utah, maybe when we're up for breakfast. I don't know, but I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Peace.
I'm off the battlefield. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that, it's so They ask how I get that, I'm too busy in this money, in this chest.
Okay, y'all, so I want to give y'all a quick room tour. This is the entry. And we did get like a suite. I don't know why we was feeling so special, but we did get a suite. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all this room tour.
And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. Find your dream. And I wonder. Come true. And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. And I wonder if you know what you mean, what you mean. Find your dream. And I wonder.
That is the room tour. Just wanted to show y'all that this is not our room for the weekend. Unfortunately, we only have this room here for a night. Like I said, we're off to Utah. We're coming back to Vegas. We got a lot going on, but yeah, I want to give y'all this quick room tour. Y'all, this hotel is so pretty.